Hello, my dear fellow doctors. It gives me great joy to personally invite you to the Home of Hope HOH Gala on September 20th at ICC Milpitas. I'm a retired doctor, and I have to admit, over the years, I've kind of drifted away from the formal medical community. But recently, something extraordinary has unfolded. After 25 years of HOH empowering underprivileged children, we are now launching a medical chapter, and I want you to be part of it. Last year, I met the founder of the world's first free rural medical college in Bangalore, Mudanhalli village, and I visited this remarkable place. Believe me, I was just blown away. Their vision is revolutionary, to train village youths to become doctors, nurses, and paramedics so that they can serve their own community. Now, this is no ordinary college. This is where state-of-the-art curriculum meets ancient spiritual wisdom, where science and compassion walk hand in hand. And though it's only 2 years old, the college is already producing shining stars. Can you believe this? The entire first batch that took India's national board exam passed with distinction. And a village Muslim girl stood first in all of India. Isn't that astounding? This model is working, and it's working beautifully. Our vision at HOH is to be that bridge, helping through sponsorships, mentorship, telemedicine, and even future innovations like telepathic healing. We are, I believe, an island of immense potential, and together we can create ripples far beyond what we imagine. And the work has already begun. Through our partnership with HEV, Heart Failure AI, where cutting-edge AI is being used to detect early signs of heart failure. We've reached over 25,000 villagers, conducted 8,000 EKG screenings, and identified over 400 people, and they are now under medical observation. This is all part of our 1 million preventable EKG campaign. Things are moving very fast. This is your moment. Hop on the bus, this train, and be part of the journey. This is a global doctor community effort. It is international. Just imagine the impact if we come together unified in this mission. What a powerful and meaningful way for us as doctors to give back. We're honored to have luminaries like Dr. Sanjeev Chopra from Harvard, from the illustrious Chopra family, Dr. Sunny Anand from Stanford, Dr. Ramesh Bijlani, Dr. Veena Puri, Dr. Naresh Bhatt, Dr. Abhijit Ray from HEV, and many others. And of course, my own dear husband, Dr. Umesh Sabharwal, a major sponsor of this effort. Now, I know many of you watching are not in the Bay Area, but believe me, this is bigger than one gala. This is a global international movement. The founder of this visionary medical college, Sri Madhusudan Sai, leads the mission of one world, one family. We are here, HOH, as a humble bridge, bringing rural health innovations to places in need, not just in India, but potentially across the world. So yes, if you can attend the gala, we welcome you with open arms. If you can't attend, you can still stand with us through your thoughts, your voice, your support. And yes, if you wish to contribute, a donation is welcome through our website. But let me be crystal clear. Donation is just the icing on the cake. What we really seek is your heart, your spirit, your thoughts, your connection to this mission. This is a pilot project that can be replicated across the globe. If you have questions I cannot answer, I will gladly connect you directly with the project directors in Bangalore. And please respond to this video, even if it's just a yes, a no, or a simple emoji. Please don't ignore it. I truly want to hear from you. This is my humble role as a bridge, a connector, and I'm asking you as fellow doctors to step into this special moment. And if you want to learn more, please just read my 2 newsletters. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, and please join us.